It's raining.
Not the best travel day, is it?
It's like there's this much rain, but it has rained the whole time on us.
It's been,
it's very weird.
Ever since this morning when we got up to get ready to leave, it's been drizzling like this the whole time. Just sprinkling, light sprinkle rain.
And we do have some fog out here, as you can see.
So we are on I-90 headed west to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Today is going to be another maintenance stop, and I hope it's the last one that's actually pre-planned maintenance stop. So to catch you up to speed on what we've decided to do, hopefully the previous video that we released is going to show that we actually, we did the rear axle replacement, we did the leaf spring replacements. So the two tires that were on the rear axle of the Kodiak, I didn't realize how uneven the wear was on those, mainly on the inside. The one on my side was the worst. It's got a lot of wear. It needs to be replaced. The one on the passenger side really needs to be replaced, okay? So my plan was to, we're coming to a tire store here in Sioux Falls, and I called them yesterday to set this up, and they have the tires that we need for the Kodiak. I wanted to go back with our Goodyear Endurance tires. I've had really good luck with them, not the abnormal wear because of axle damage, but I've had no issues with those tires. And problem is, those tires, I didn't realize this, they're really hard to find now. They've kind of like run out of them. And the guy at this dealership just couldn't get 4 of those tires in the time frame of today of getting them there. So he recommended, if I want to replace the tires, to go with the Hankook brand of tire. They have one, I think it's called the Ventura, I believe it is. He said it's a new tire that Hankook developed this year to directly compete with the Goodyear Endurance trailer tires. They have those in stock, and I've even got someone that commented on Instagram that also talked highly of this tire, saying that it is giving Goodyear a run for their money for being a comparable tire to use on trailers. So that's what we're going to go with. I was only going to get the 2 rear tires, but I think that I would feel much better if I just go ahead and get all 4 new tires on the Kodiak. A couple reasons. I really dislike mixed matched tires on something. It just kind of bugs me. And then the other reason is that the front tires are already halfway through their wear life there, okay? So I think I would just feel better with 4 brand new trailer tires.
And we probably have another, how many more miles do you think we're going to put on this trip?
I'd say anywhere from 6,000 to 8,000 miles.
Exactly. So,
and these tires have actually been running for, I counted up, I think it was about 20 months. I did not log the mileage when we first started using them, so I don't know what the mileage is on them, but they saw at least, I think it was a little over 7,000 miles last year's big haul, but we've done several other trips too.
Yeah.
So I think they probably got somewhere around 15,000 miles on them or so. So we're going to swap them out today.
Yay.
I think it's called Graham Tire Center. They're not far from the campground either, and they're going to fit us in today and get us done.
That's wonderful.
So that's what today's events is going to be. And then we've got one more solid day. We're going to be in Sioux Falls, and we hope to go downtown, see the park there where the falls are at and the river, and whatever else that we can find to get into.
And it's a new state.
And it's going to be a new state, the start of a new state.
Yes.
So we'll show you what it's like getting our new tires on today.
Yay, new tires. Not yay rain, though. Looks a little better.
It's slacking up just a little bit here.
But it's still really foggy.
We are getting ready to pass into another new state, another new A-bomb state.
This is exciting.
Very exciting. The state we've been looking forward to all year long.
Yes. Where's the sign?
Should be just ahead. We're not there yet. Looks like they have the border They have the border right on this. So
Yeah, it looks like we're right on the border right now.
yeah, so we're just now passing into South Dakota.
So we're officially there.
Yep, this way station is for South Dakota. So we should get a sign ahead.
Huh.
Oh, welcome to South Dakota on the Google Maps here.
Where's the sign?
There it is.
There it is.
I see it.
Yes.
South Dakota. They got Mount Rushmore on there.
Yay. Great faces, great places.
Very cool. Look at the speed limit. 80.
Boom.
Unfortunately, we can't drive 80 miles an hour.
No, we cannot.
We could, but we'd be living on the dangerous side, pulling an RV behind us.
Let's just chill.
We're just keep it just like this. The good thing about that kind of speed limit is that then most everybody is going around you. You're not having to pass other people.
Right.
All right. So we are 12 minutes from our destination at the tire place.
Good. It will be nice to get that taken care of. I know that you're going to feel better.
It's going to make me feel a lot better having some fresh rubber on the Kodiak.
And when you feel better, I feel better.
Yes, you do. It looks like our place, Graham Tire. He said to pull into the second entrance.
Hope to get us fixed up. Getting it all backed in so we can get the new tires. He's gonna feel so much better after this is done. You're good, babe.
Okay.
Yep.
That pretty good? Okay.
Now you can put a South Dakota sticker on that.
Absolutely.
See that?
Oh yeah, we've been looking forward to that. We just added a couple. All right, the guys are getting the tires on there. Here's our first look at the new tires, the Hankook Ventura. This is the same tire, the same type of tire like we had on there with the Goodyear Endurance. All right, same rating. It was rated for 87 miles an hour, 80 PSI. The guys talked very highly of it, and I want to show you. All right, so here is the bad boy right here. This is the worst one of all four, but you see, this is why I wanted to get new tires put on ASAP. You can actually see the inner bands right there, just how bad that was. The other ones weren't as bad. See, here's one of the other ones there. But when they get the other two dismounted, I'll take a close look at them as well. But I definitely wanted to get this off sooner rather than later because of this. Try to eliminate any chance of a blowout. All right, there's all four of the tires. These are the other two right here. And you can see they weren't as bad as these guys right here, or this one. But you can see it's got wear. It's definitely got wear on that side right there. There's some wear right there. They do have quite a bit of mileage on them. All right, they've got all four of them mounted and ready to go. Just come out here to check on them, and they've got them all finished up. So here's our passenger side completed and ready to go. We'll go inside and pay the bill and hit the road. All right, guys, they got us all fixed up here. Huge thanks to all the folks here at Graham Tire in South Dakota, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. They got us all fixed up, got us in and out of here pretty quickly. So if you're ever in this area, you need some tire work, definitely come and check them out. They hooked us up nicely. So we are good to go. We're getting ready to pull out of here, and we're gonna go to the camp. We're actually staying here locally. not too far up the road, there's a KOA campground. We're going to park there. We'll be here for one day. We hope to go downtown and see the falls and have fun here before we head out. Somebody's over there doing a burnout. So we will see you guys on the next leg of the trip here. I think we're on this first one. Yep. The short one again. I told him, I said, I hope you do not give us a muddy site because every one we get is muddy.
Don't you love the muddy site?
He said, well, we just had a bunch of rain the other night, but it should be pretty good.
Okay, look how cute our Kodiak is with her new shoes. Yeah. They look pretty and he feels better. You like the new shoes?
Yeah, I like the new shoes. They're unproven to me, but hopefully they're going to be a good tire. The guys there, I know that they're a tire shop and they're going to sell you, but he says that they've had good luck with those tires. They cannot get the Goodyears right now, so they've been stocking those and selling them, and he says they've had good luck with them. So
all right, well,
he told me that they developed that tire as a direct competitor to the Goodyear Endurance ST tire. So we'll see.
We'll see.
I just feel good that we got 4 brand new tires on there.
Agreed. Hopefully that is all the maintenance we will have to do on this trip.
Yeah, hopefully it's all done.
All right, we're a little low on this side, so we're doing some blocks. He's actually trusting me to tell him. All right.
Good?
Nailed it. Perfect.
Okay.
Is that better?
I'm about to check it.
Obviously, I nailed it.
You did nail it.
This is a nice campground.
It looks nice. It's going to be a little noisy, but you know, we're just here to visit the city.
Yeah, so the
This isn't
interstate's right here, but
that's how a lot of
it doesn't
KOAs.
bother me.
A lot of KOAs are right here by the exit, so it's easy, convenient to get in and out of.
Yeah.
We're just here. We're going to go downtown. It's no big deal.
Yeah. Apparently they have breweries that we're
They have
gonna
several
to check out.
breweries. Yeah, they were pretty excited about telling me about all the breweries.
And I found some antiques.
You did. I guess we're going antiquing.
I would also like to point out to everybody that I have on a flannel shirt.
It has been nice and cool up here, and
like
I'm glad.
60 degrees, and I'm a huge fan of that. All right, I'm gonna help him get set up so we can go antiques. That doesn't make any sense. Go antiquing to find antiques. Okay.
All right, guys, so we are all set up here at our campsite here in Sioux Falls. There's the camp set up. And we wanted to go ahead, we're doing this a little late, but we wanted to go ahead and add our Minnesota sticker to the travel map over there. So we'll just go ahead and do that now. And even though we're in South Dakota, I told Abby, I don't want to put the sticker on yet because we just got here. I would rather wait until we get to the more fun stuff in South Dakota, which is coming very soon.
Yeah.
We've got some better places. I think we're going to be in some more beautiful places is what we're going to do. So,
yes.
Do you want me to put it on?
I do.
All right.
I think you know why.
Okay, we'll go ahead and then.
If you want it to be straight.
Paper towels falling over here. All right, so Minnesota.
Minnesota.
There's our Minnesota.
You liked Minnesota, didn't you? It's pretty.
Oh, it was nice up there.
Yeah.
I mean, the area we went to, we didn't explore Minnesota.
No, we're going to come back at some point.
All right, here we go. Minnesota, another state added to the travel map.
You are getting a lot of states. Do you know that?
So we added, what did we add? Missouri, Nebraska. I wish we could have added Iowa, and I know that we could add Iowa because we were there, but we didn't stay there.
I know.
We were only there half a day. We drove through.
One of our viewers did say that they thought that since we got new tires, we probably deserved to get the state, but our policy is
we certainly could.
that we stay the night.
We certainly could.
And we love Iowa, both of us, so
my idea,
we're going to go back.
My idea is that the only 2 states on here that the Kodiak is not going to be at are these 2 states right here.
No. This one state right
Oh,
here.
you think we're going to pull the Kodiak all the way up to Alaska?
Yes, I do.
I didn't know if we were going to do that or what, but I was
There
thinking
is so
these two.
much to see in Alaska, and I
Yeah,
need to
there's
go
a
to
lot.
Vancouver and
There's
see
a lot
Katie.
there.
Hey, Katie.
Well, we will discuss that later on. But
So that means we're going.
We are looking forward to getting the South Dakota pretty soon,
Yes.
and we are going to be getting some more of these states in pretty soon too.
Yes, we
We
are.
have a lot of really great places planned to go. So that's it for this. I wanted to go ahead and add this on to the end of the video from today's little journey, getting our new tires. And tomorrow we are going to go into downtown Sioux Falls. We want to visit the park there, see the river. I think there's a sculpture park there that we can see. And then there's a lot of breweries down there. You know, we like going to a brewery. So I forget which one it was that they recommended. So we might go do that as well tomorrow. Go to a brewery, have a couple beers, have some lunch. And I think we're going to come back early tomorrow and chill here at the campsite and maybe cook us a meal right here.
Agreed.
Yep.
We need a little rest.
Yeah, come back and chill.
Some barbecue beer time.
Yep, sounds good. All right, so that's it for this one. We will see you on the next video.